So stylists or people at home with loads and loads of hair, if you want a really quick way to blow dry your hair, watch this. Products I'm using today, 5 pumps Dream Blowout. So there's our Dream Blowout in there. 1, 2, 3. The Blonde Life. Blonde Life is a thick oil, but these mannequin heads can take it because they're very, very processed. And we want to have the joy of healthy hair in there. And then let's get our blow dried. So the trick is just to get the hair dry, a little bit of bend on the end, but get that root red hot, because that's going to be like a heated roller. Get your ends tucked right in there, and then just clip it. And then again, this hair is probably about 70% wet. Good amount, like good percentage to be starting to blow dry. And then you want to flick it back on itself, so you've got a bit of tension, a bit of control there. So you can get those ends dry, but while you've got heat and the brush drying that, you want to get up into that root. And you can see where I had my hairdryer pointed and I had it pointed away from the climb. So that is just heating up that hair. Look, that brush has done the work. We're getting those ends tucked right into that hot root. And then we're clipping in. So next section is going to be a high horseshoe section on that top. So this is literally 3 sections coming to blow dry. And I'm going to go through there as well. Around to that front. And there. And I'm going to start to do exactly the same. Again, letting the brush, while it's hot, do the work on those ends. And you'll be able to see that they are nice and curled. Elevate. That root is really hot. Get those ends tucked right in there and clipped. Next section, make sure that these are detangled, which they are. Because the front is shorter, you're going to be losing a bit of hair here when it comes to dropping out, which is fine, but just make sure when you come to wrap it, you wrap them in. The brush has done its thing, got a bend, those roots are red hot. Pull up to the ceiling as such, get those ends in, tuck them in, and you wait till this blow dry. So those ends we just want to tuck in right up in there, because that heat is going to get those set. There we go. Spin around, exactly the same on this side. again. So heated up that root. Those ends are going to be nice and curled. Get them tucked in. Get them up into that heat. And get them pinned. Now with this top, I'm going to blow dry it forward to here because I want it to fall back. Also, it will aid us because the front's shorter than the back. We'll be able to keep that on the brush, and it's pretty much all one length when it comes to the front. We're going to blow dry this back here. We're going to flip it over, and then we're going to set it back on itself. Up to the ceiling, wrap, and get that clip in. So just so you can see, that is what it looks like. We'll let that set, pull it out, brush it out, get some of the beach shake in there, and you can have a beautiful butterfly haircut. Blow dry. Finished result, and then let me know what you think. Let's pull it out. Look at that bounce. Boing. Look at it. When we brush this out, it's going to be beautiful. Still a little bit hot, so make sure that they're all cold before you take it out, and then we'll shake it, and then we'll have a beautiful butterfly haircut and blow dry. Let's take it out. Let's give it a little shake. Get our beach shake. So there we go guys, that is the finished result for the Big and Bouncy Blow Dry in 6 sections. Super quick to get voluminous, big and bouncy waves really, really quickly. Whether you're in the salon, a hairdryer, whether you're in the salon and you're a hairdresser who struggles with blow dry big and bouncy hair, this is a great way to do it. Get all that heat up into that bottom piece, into the root, get those ends bent round and smooth, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, let it set, and that's the finished result. So if you've loved this video as a way to style hair, make sure you check out this video for more hair cutting, hairstyling trends by me. I'll see you in the next video.